Hi, I'm Leah with MG&E. Adding energy-efficient tech to your home can save money, conserve resources, and lower your carbon footprint. Here are some simple, smart solutions you might want to try. Heating and cooling usually uses the most energy indoors. A smart thermostat can optimize your heating and cooling system without the hassle of any programming. The thermostat changes the temperature based on when you're usually home, making saving energy almost effortless. Focus on Energy often offers incentives. If you're a renter, you may need to ask permission before installing one, but on any thermostat, you may still save by making sure the fan setting is on auto so the fan isn't running when you don't need it. And you may save even more by remembering to heat the person and not the room with rechargeable heating vests, slippers, socks, and blankets. Smart LED light bulbs and switches allow your phone to control the lights. If you leave lights on, you can turn them off even if you're already away from home, saving energy. Also consider dusk to dawn lighting outside. These lights turn on automatically when it gets dark and turn off when the sun comes up. Do you have a closet, laundry room, garage lights that you leave on sometimes because your hands are too full to turn them off? Consider motion sensor lights and switches that turn on and off automatically. Smart power strips may be another way to save. They minimize phantom energy or standby power, which is the energy appliances consume even when they're turned off. These smart strips ensure energy flows to devices only when they're in use, so there's no additional effort from you. Appliances are continually becoming smarter, allowing you to schedule their operation at your convenience or integrate them into your utilities grid management programs. Another simple idea is to install a bath fan that senses humidity. It can automatically run for the right amount of time to exhaust the moisture, saving you a return trip to turn it off, and you won't have to train your family to run the fan after a warm shower. It's good for indoor air quality and the health of your home. Motorized shades are another option. You can integrate them into your smart home system and control them through switches and apps. But you can also operate them automatically, like raising and lowering them to keep the heat out in the summer and allowing the heat in the winter, keeping you comfortable while running your heating and cooling system less. Many of these options are available at Focus on Energy's marketplace, our energy efficiency partner. If you have any questions, our energy experts are always here to help.